Now class 4th A. This is class 4th A. So we are studying lesson 7, digestion of food. Lesson 7, digestion of food. Digestion of food. In this lesson, digestion of food, page 41. Page 41, digestion of food. So today we are going to see worksheet 7. Worksheet 7. Worksheet 7. A. Take the right answer. Take the right. Take the right answer. So first, you see, food passes from mouth to stomach through 3 options are there: intestine, food pipe, and liver. So food pipe is correct option. So first, you have to fill the food pipe. Food pipe is the correct option. Now second, you see, saliva is present in the 3 options are there: mouth, liver, and the pancreas. So mouth is the correct option. Second, you see, mouth. Mouth is the correct option. And third, you see, digestive process begins in 3 options are there: stomach. In stomach, food is stored. Liver, it is digestive gland. And mouth. Mouth is a place where digestion begins. So third, you have to write mouth. Third, mouth is correct option. And fourth, from the stomach, food passes into the liver, it is the digestive gland, large intestine, and small intestine. 2 options are there. So just after the stomach, small intestine is present, and after the small intestine there is the large intestine. So from the stomach, food passes into the small intestine. So 4, small intestine is correct. Small intestine is correct option. And fifth, undigested part of the food is thrown out of the body through 3 options are there: anus, mouth, and intestine. So here anus is the correct option. So fifth is the anus. Anus is the correct option. Once again, you listen what the answer. So first, food passes from mouth to the stomach through 3 options are there: intestine, food pipe, and liver. Since food pipe is found just after the mouth, so food passes from mouth to the stomach through food pipe. Liver is the digestive gland, while intestine is found after the stomach. So food pipe is the correct answer. Food pipe is the correct answer here. Food pipe is the correct answer. Now second, Saliva is present in three options are there: mouth, liver, and the pancreas. Pancreas producing digestive juice, liver produce the bile, while mouth having the saliva. Saliva also help with the digestion. So, but saliva is present in the mouth. So this is the correct answer here. And digestive process begins in the three options are there: stomach, liver, and the mouth. So stomach, liver, and the mouth. So mouth is the correct answer, since digestion begins in the mouth. Now fourth, from the stomach, food passes into the three options there: liver, small intestine, and large intestine. So here small intestine is the correct option. An undigested part of the food is thrown out of the body through anus, mouth, and intestine. So anus is the correct option. So in this way, we see that the answers. Now next section B, we have to see. We can write B here. B here. To write T for true, T are false. This is true and it is false. First you see, the process of digestion begins in the mouth. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. Is the process of digestion begins in the mouth, but here it is written the process of digestion begins in the stomach. So it is wrong. It is first is false, since digestion begins in the mouth, not begins with the from the stomach. So first is wrong. Second, the stomach is a sac-like organ. The stomach is sac-like organ. Now see diagram. This diagram is given here, so it is the correct. So second is true. Second is true. As it is the sac-like structure. Now third you see. Let me write so you can see. You can easily observe. Second is true, and now third. While eating, we should swallow the food quickly. No, slowly we have to swallow, not very fast. So this is the false. Third is false. And fourth, you see. Fourth, the digested part of the food is absorbed into the blood. The digested part of the food is absorbed into the blood. Yes, it is the correct answer. It is the correct. It is absorbed into the blood. Now fifth you see. The fifth, the undigested part of the food is thrown out through the small intestine. Yes, it is false, because it is thrown out through the anus. So it is false. So fifth is also the false. So once again we can see the first, the process of digestion begins in the stomach. It is false. Second, the stomach is a sac-like organ. It is true. Now third, while eating, we should swallow the food quickly. It is false. The digested part of the food is absorbed into the blood. It is true. Now fifth, the undigested part of the food is thrown out through the small intestine. So it is false. So in this way, this is the false. So we have completed the true and the false and take the right answer. Next day we will start the writing the answer the following. Thank you. That's for today.